Ayan na nga mga kaibigan, once again, ay atin mga padang Ilocanos sa imbang bigat tayo amin. Nanganin na po ang mga rugi, iti unity ride, kaya kinating ang kanito mga igan tayo ti kabalaaw ken mensahe. Kaya atin tayo Governor, once again, ikan tayo apat kinabarang nasipsipat, Governor Matthew Marcos Manoto.
Diyos Nina, naimbaga bigat. Ngayon lang ako gumising ganitong kaaga. Talagang natutuwa po ako no, na nandito po tayong lahat. At ang dami ang tao na nandito, hindi ako makapasok kanina. But on behalf of the entire Marcos family, gusto ko lang magpasalamat sa inyong lahat for showing your true unity and support and fervor for BBM. And it's very heartwarming, no, and inspiring to see Ilocandia here this morning. And may we all come together peacefully to support BBM. Maraming salamat po.
Thank you very much, Gov Matt. And intaymit mga iganaa po iti mensahe ni ayatan nga Vice Governor, ladies and gentlemen, salubungin po natin ang masigabong palakpakan, Vice Governor Cecil Araneta Marcos.
Naimbaga bigat kada kayo amin apo, hello! Maragsakan na ang nakita kayo amin dito apo. Thank you so much for being here, for showing the support for our beloved BBM. No one can deny our great love for our great leader. So thank you so much. Can we just enjoy and just chill and really just show cheerfulness as we do this motorcade. Thank you so much. God bless everyone.
Thank you very much, Vice Governor Cecil Araneta Marcos. Ito, isang tanong, isang sagot. Padami Ilocano, Ilocandia, handa na ba kayo?
Damang-dama ko na, ito na nga, ang pinakahihintay ng lahat.
Ayan mga kaibigan, kagaya na napapakinggan natin sa kanta na Bagong Lipunan, Intaymit Apo, Urayen, iti barong bigat. Hihintayin lang po natin ang sunrise at pagputok ng araw. Intaymit Rugyanen, ti panang ipakita, ti suporta, ken panagkaykaysa, ti may-maysa nga Ilocos Norte, kasama ang ating mga minamahal na mga kapatid na Ilocanos.
At syempre, hindi po mawawala dyan yung mga pasasalamatan.
Yeah, you can be the greatest, you can be the best, you can be the King Kong banging on your chest.
You could beat the world, you could beat the war. You could talk to God, go banging on his door.
You can throw your hands up, you can beat the clock. You can move a mountain, you can break rocks.
You could be a master, don't wait for luck. Dedicate yourself and you go find yourself.
Standing in the Hall of Fame,
Yeah,
and the world's gonna know your name.
yeah.
'Cause you burn with the brightest flame, and the world's gonna know your name. And you'll be on the walls of the Hall of Fame. You can go the distance, you can run the mile, you can walk straight through hell with a smile.
You could be the hero, you could get the gold. Breaking all the records they thought never could be broke.
Yeah, do it for your people, do it for your pride? Are you ever gonna know if you never even try?
Do it for your country, do it for your name. Cause there's gonna be a day when you're
Standing in the Hall of Fame, and the world's gonna know your name. 'Cause you burn with the bright flame, and the world's gonna know your name. And you'll be on the walls of the Hall of Fame. Be a champion, be a champion, be a champion, be a champion. The walls of the Hall of Fame. Be students, be teachers, be politicians, be preachers. Yeah, yeah. Be believers, be leaders, be astronauts, be champions, be truth seekers. Be students, be teachers, be politicians, be preachers, yeah. Be believers, be leaders, be astronauts, be champions. Standing in the Hall of Fame, and the world's gonna know your name. 'Cause you burn with the bright flame, and the world's gonna know your name. And you'll be on the walls of the Hall of Fame. Be the greatest, you can be the best. You can be the chain card hanging on your chest.
You can be the girl, you can beat the wall. You can talk your jacket banging on the wall.
You can throw your hands up, you can beat the clock. You can move a mountain, you can break rocks.
You can be a master, don't wait for luck. Dedicate yourself and your life for the
Standing in the Hall of Fame.
May bagong silang, may bago ng buhay. Bagong bansa, bagong galaw, sa bagong lipunan. Nagbabago ang lahat, tungo sa pag-unlad. At ating itanghal, bagong lipunan. Gabi nagmaliw ng ganap at lumipas na ang magdamag. Madaling araw ay nagdiriwang, may umagang namasdan. Ngumiti na ang pag-asa sa umagang anong ganda. May bagong silang, may bago ng buhay. Bagong bansa, bagong galaw, sa bagong lipunan. Nagbabago ang lahat, tungo sa pag